This video is about removing the ransomware called ZEON. ZEON is a special ransomware type infection that affects the majority of files today. It targets Windows files, Microsoft Office files, pictures, music, and other documentation. Before the ransomware attack, of course, customers can open their files without troubles. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system. After the ransomware attack, customers are no longer able to open their files. They notice that the special ZEON extension has been added to the files and that it is no longer possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware places this scary message mentioning that the files have been encrypted by ZEON strain. The ransomware soon adds a special ZEON extension to the files, and it also changes the desktop background, as you can now clearly see. So something really bad will start to happen after some way or another this particular ransomware injects the system. You can clearly see that after the ransomware attack, this ZEON extension is added and it is not possible to use the files anymore. Well, first thing we recommend you to do is to open the task manager of your computer. Carefully look for any suspicious processes. If you find any random processes with random names, you need to terminate them. As for removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware for this purpose. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and start researching and investigating your system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. Combo Cleaner works very well to detect and delete the majority of ransomware type threats, including this ZEON ransomware. The features of Combo Cleaner Premium have got this anti-ransomware tool, which allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats revealed. So you'll be able to remove some of them manually, but we do recommend upgrading to Premium to delete these threats altogether and automatically.